Fuck all these niggas that think that they know.
Yo, shit, low. Do you love me, no. I can't sound no nuts, need bullets here, all sucks. Bitch, moving, walking, niggas moving like some cars. I can't play no games, nigga, this ain't up Scotch. Running up them numbers, just see you, it's all about. When it's time, I bet them niggas make it up. Yo, I'm praying that my niggas make it up. Yo, I'm praying that I make it up. Yo, a young nigga wanna come up, no. Therefore, nigga try to front, no. And all this killing don't condone, no. But the young niggas want me keep their guns, so yo. And I'm just tryna keep my funds, so yo. You wanna say it out, I ain't tryna play, no. Unless I roll, I play every day. See, wake up in the morning, till I'm getting paid, yo. Yeah, I be on it, 6 in the morning. Who the fuck is calling? Say that money tall, niggas running my life forces, tryna force shit, Kinda new niggas gotta move cautious, So sick and tired, man, I'm sick and saucy. Yo, Jordan 97, man, I'm so exhausted. Liddy in my city, feel like Tinto. No, I'm so litty, feel like glizzy, I'm so fucking awesome. Yo, yeah, I'm so fucking awesome. My niggas stare on that poker, niggas try to cross him. Yo, cause niggas try to cross him. My niggas stare on that poker, niggas try to cross him. Yo, low. Yo, I'm that young nigga, coming from the bottom. I'ma build it up, yo, shit's not no problem. Going at it up, nigga, we gon' solve them. Yo, you know me, pull up with it be, yo, you know me, all my P's and Q's, yo, with some G's, yo, with some G's, pull up bitches freeze, yo, no police, pull up bitches freeze, yo, she don't freeze 0 degrees, yo. Like I'm Forrest, bitch, I go G3, yo. And yo, bitch, she on her knees, yo, low. Do you love me, no. I can't sound no nuts, need bullets here, all sucks, Bitch, moving, walking, niggas moving like some cars, I can't play no games, nigga, this ain't up Scotch, Running up them numbers, just see you, it's all about. When it's time, I bet them niggas make it up, yo. I'm praying that my niggas make it up, yo. I'm praying that I make it up. Yo, a young nigga wanna come up, no. Therefore, nigga try to front, no. And all this killing don't condone, no. But the young niggas want me keep their guns, so yo, low. Do you love me, no. I can't sound no nuts, need bullets here, all sucks, Bitch, moving, walking, niggas moving like
yo, swinging on a little string. Like the puppet master, the playing with my strings. A bunch of fucking bastards. Because they kill their own folks just to make it. They wanna go gold just to make it, but then they go ghost. It's a Mason conspiracy. Spiritually, I've been ahead of the game, and lyrically the same. Vice versa, yeah. Don't entice this person, yeah. Cause that could really get detrimental, nigga. And we could get exponential, nigga. My baby girl presidential, nigga. And now we getting residential, nigga. Count the decimals, nigga. Oh wait, you stupid, nigga. Oh wait, you useless, nigga. Why you do this music, nigga? Oh, you another puppet flow, just like the others. I don't give a fuck, motherfucker. Yeah, you're just replaceable. Yeah.
There's nothing better than a cute young Spanish chick. Always hot-tempered, but her body is immaculate. Every time we link with a drink, it be movie lit. When I'm not around, she'll be down for them booty flicks. So I took a sip, knew that I could now relax. Then I went ahead and ate her ass like an acrobat, meaning from the back. Total pleasure made her asshole clap. Hold up, wait a minute, didn't mean to make you wanna gag. I'm just having fun with all my raps. If you hate on what I do in life, then you're fucking trash. It's all good, focus on your cash. Friends are there, call next week, who knows who will fucking last. Doesn't matter, won't affect the plans. Know that we will make it big if we work hard and get the chance. I'll be shining through your visors, never stop my vision. Music's meant for me to die for. Meant for me to die for. Never lose my vision, it was meant for me to die for. Treat this music like my women, always giving full commitment. It was meant for me to die for. Meant for me to die for. Never lose my vision, it was meant for me to die for. this music like my women, always giving full commitment. It was meant for me to die for.
Let's get mamacita, let me kiss you and just never take a breather. Let me spin you to the rhythm of this beat, bro. If I ever had a dream, girl, I swear that it would be ya. And I ain't never met nobody like you. I remember when I met you, we were still in high school. Thinking about the time, I swear I never really guessed you, but I did, now that's what I call potential. And I gotta thank you for every moment. Shawty by my side when you see me rolling. They should've locked me up cause the high was stolen. That's where I pull up on all my opponents. I'm chillin' with my crew, got the brew, but it all don't make sense. What to do to get you out of with me and my best. Right now I drive a Honda, but one day I have a less. I just hope that when I peak, you'll be there through the mess,
Meant for me to die for, never lose my vision, it was meant for me to die for. Treat this music like my women, always giving full commitment. It was meant for me to die for. Meant for me to die for, never lose my vision. It was meant for me to die for. Treat this music like my women, always giving full commitment. It was meant for me to die for.
I've been running all day, I don't wanna get it if it isn't my way. Smoking get the best high, it's my wave. Yeah, smoking get the best high, this is my wave. Sucking on my, yeah, know you know how, babe. Kissing on your left thigh, bless the fire, me. Sabbath in the background, call me daddy. Came up on the left, out and played some Kanye. Promise I'ma die, finesse him. I be living lavishly. I don't really wanna be another one that tells you that you did this shit so ravishly. Getting this shit is a tragedy. I do this shit with savage. Show the fucking bitch cause when I'm winning she be tripping, always slipping. And she just keep on harassing me. I know yeah.
Meant for me to die for, never lose my vision. It was meant for me to die for. Treat this music like my women, always giving full commitment. It was meant for me to die for. Meant for me to die for, never lose my vision. It was meant for me to die for. Treat this music like my women, always giving full commitment. It was meant for us to die for.
Lord, don't save my soul, no. Lord, don't save my soul. I've been fucking hoes, yeah. I've been smoking dope, moving all these hoes, yeah. Hanging with my bros. Lord, don't save my soul, and Lord only knows what I do with these hoes. Lord only knows how much do I smoke with my bros. Yeah, Lord don't know. Lord don't help.
Yeah, Lord, do not go save my soul. Cause I won from the day one. Now this day I'm going whoa. Going way too low. Feeling so low when I'm so low. Going from the below. People wanna be like you when you got that guala in your pocket. Then when you done, they like stop it. No clocking in TikTok and I'm chilling with my friends. All these motherfuckers wanna go sin. Then at the end of the day they repent. But I'm living this life to the end. Yeah, with my foot on the throttle.
Lord don't save my soul. Lord don't save my soul. Yeah, I've been smoking dope. Lord don't save my soul. I've been fucking all these hoes. Lord don't save my soul. I've been fucking all these hoes. Yeah, Lord don't save my soul. Yeah, I've been fucking hoes. Yeah, all these hoes. Yeah, Lord don't save my soul. Cause only you would know how much I've been smoking. Only you could tell, but you didn't. So
Like why, oh why? You don't even try no more. We don't even go out no more. Why you wanna do this? Why you wanna act like who's this? Tryna act like brand new bitch. I don't even understand why you going hard like a Rubik's Cube. All these bitches getting rude, tryna hit up my line. Cause they see I got Walla, ayy. Cause they see I gotta pay, ayy. Like every fucking day, ayy. How to go and slow down, ayy. What is there to say, ayy? Coming out of my town, coming out of the city now. Look around, look at the way they looking at me gritty. Just because a nigga getting this fetty, ayy. Just because a nigga getting fetty. Or because a nigga's hopping out of Bentley. Or because a nigga neck getting heavy, wrist getting heavy, and I got a penny by the cover yellow bone. She hitting my telephone like every day. What? Hey, wait, what? Wait, let me go stop it. Hey, switching the topics, swimming the water with the piranha. Hey, got drama.